Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be doing something different. This company called EveryPlate. It is a meal prep and we will be preparing roasted garlic Dijon butter steak. Yes, so them normally send you everything in a package. Them send us all these ingredients. This is one of the meals them we are prepared. We do like our 3 meals with it.
Yeah, we're trying 3 meals for this.
Yeah, we're trying 3 meals. Alright guys, so this is how the box look where they come in. The EveryPlate packaging. I already unloaded everything already, but I just show you what go on. One of them ice pack things there. One at the top, one at the bottom. The meat did in an ice pack like a sandwich, right? And then the vegetable then just stick on a pack like that. So yeah. So it looks like it's enough one now. Oh, what I remember. Yeah. So we're trying 3 meals. This is the first one, and hopefully it goes well. I never cooked steak before. That's a baby specialty. You know, she's a steak person. But yeah, I could see how this turn out camera there, everybody there.
The thing I wanted to say was, only thing I can say about the packaging, they didn't separate the meals out. Like they separate the meat from the vegetables, but what I would have liked to see if they had, like, if I ordered this, have that in one little packet, and then the next meal in one little packet, instead of you're digging through all the stuff that you have.
True. Kind of confused, but let's try it. Let's try it. Let's see. Camera there, watch you. Good day, I'll see you. Alright.
Peel the sweet potatoes. Place them into a quarter and trim and have the Brussels sprouts in length. So we have to peel all of this off, and then we're gonna cut these in half.
And then when we put them in the microwave, can I eat some? Can I eat one so I can taste them?
We're not putting those in the microwave. That's the butter.
Alright. So I'm gonna do the sweet potatoes while we do the Brussels sprouts. Sweet potato, peel and clean, just like that. It's already look good there.
Don't it?
Alright, so we're doing the Brussels sprouts right now. And that's how you do it.
This is actually going pretty good, Tammy.
Yeah, it is. Alright.
Can't they just grab all the layers, Mom, with one hit? Because it looks like it's possible. I mean, just they grab the layers in all one and just rip it. Right? It's actually pretty fun.
So now I cut up the chives, yes.
I don't like my butter to be gone by the time the meat touch on it.
As if you look closely, you can see some small holes in it. So, poke it up with a fork. Tenderize it fast, you know, go quick. But I'll be able to just tell me that I'm not know about steak, right? So I learn myself. Talk to me about chicken, yes. Specialist right yourself.
Hey, look, butter starting to dissolve.
the drink that we're having today is one of my favorites. It's called Mango Paradise. We have, of course, mango juice, guava, pineapple juice. I have my favorite, which is coconut rum. And we added 2 shots of white rum. Very yummy. You guys should try it. Enjoy. Really get that.
Isn't that burning you?
Temperature of the meat is not that.
Oh, it looks really, really hot. Ooh, extra burnt side. I'm gonna bring out the extra crispy side. Whoever gets the crispy is lucky.
Now the sweet potato ready. We are going to drain it and add the butter. Take over the swag one. That good love. Guys, just see how nice this looks. Brussels sprouts, sweet potato, garlic. Coming along. Coming along. It's a one. Not bad. Not bad at all. We're gonna talk now. Alright guys, so this is the finished product and this is what it looks like. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe.